Good morning, sir. My name is Reno Kanatak. I'll be discussing the form standard of our IGDIS Module B. Module B overview requirements. Operational function required for system database display or scale controls. System database conversion. An IGDIS convert official electronic navigational data (ENDS) all and updates the internal system database (SNC) loosely. The interaction format rapidly rendering the querying, handling, and seamlessly user interaction during the route planning and monitoring. Operational core goals: reduce mariner workload to paper charts while continuously displaying the precise shape, position, and chart details, ensuring the information is presented clearly without degradation, function, and unauthorized alteration of our original ENDS content. Data, three database display categories. Display base essentially for cannot be removed from display is not intended to sufficient for safe navigation on its own. Standard display, the mandatory default display mode intended for route planning and monitoring, contains key hazards, channels with and visual aids, and other information, supplementary charge features that can be individually added or removed by operator as needed. Single operator action. This must be presented in a standard display instantly upon the single action by the operator. Power state retention. When this is switched, lock back in following power failure to shut it down, it must be automatically returned to the most recent manually selected display settings. Layered customization. It must be simple to add or remove. Optional charge formation. However, removing any element belonging to the display base is strictly prohibited. Cursor object inquiry. For any operator selected with replica position, this must be displayed to full attribute information demanded for the association chart objects. Safety contours or safety depths. Safety contours. Section B. Section 8.5.8. The mariner select a custom safety contour. This visually emphasizes the contour over all others. If that value is set, it's default to 30 meters or the next deeper available contour. For the safety depth, section 5.9, mariners is safely depth threshold. This automatically emphasizes the all soundings equal to or shallower than the safety depth whenever spot sounding are visible. Automatic contour fallback logic. If a user does not specifically safety contours, this defaults to 30 meters. If 30 meters is not presented in the loaded ENC database set, the system automatically defaults to the next deeper contour. The indication must be provided whenever the fallback contour is active. The mariner can choose permanently display a safety contour / settings. Database integrity or data instruction. Dynamic water level adjustment. The IGDIS must allow dynamic and water level adjustment, tidal offsets, and must display a clear activate indication when able. Correct loading verification. The system must provide a verification tool ensuring the official ENDS all updates all been loaded correctly without corruption. Degradation free portrayal. Official ENDS data and updates must be rendered clear without any loss of degradation of information content. Clear data distinction. Official ENDS chart data and updates must be distinctly recognizable from the user's additions, manual updates, and overlay lines. Section 6 scale requirements. Official scale indication indication of charts information display at a scale significantly larger than the original ENCS. Number 2, the larger scale. It must alert a bridge team if own ship's current position is covered by a large scale. Scale minimum must provide an indication if chart object of ownership position are hidden due to the application of scale minimum rules. scale change, and navigation range. The operator must able to display the operator must display smoothly and by standard charts, returning the zip in the but by nautical miles. Context for preservation. Changing scale must maintain the safe situational awareness without the distortion of symbols. And that's all. Thank you.